I'm gonna show you an incredible way to make grilled wings while you're tailgating. I'm gonna do it 3 ways with 3 completely different sauces. You're gonna love it. Stick with me. We're about to grill some wings. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna create a little seasoning blend. I've got brown sugar and I've got my McCormick seasonings here. So first I'm gonna take the garlic powder. Then I have the onion powder here. I'm gonna get that going. I've got this smoked paprika. This is gonna add a really great layer of flavor. Gonna grind the salt here, get a little bit of salt going, black pepper, and that's it. And then I'm just gonna give this a little bit of a mix. We're gonna stir that up. Gonna get it all incorporated here with the brown sugar. It's gonna stick like that. All right, we've got our seasoning blend ready to go. I'm gonna take some vegetable oil. I'm just gonna get this on the wings. I'm gonna coat the wings. It's gonna help the seasoning blend stick to the wing, but also it's gonna help me keep it from being nonstick on the grill itself. So it's kind of working a 2-part thing here. I'm gonna take my tongs. I'm gonna just go ahead and get the oil nice and coated on there. You want an even coat as best you can. Feel free to get in there. Drop as many of the spices as you possibly can. That's really good for branding. So now all we gotta do is get these wings on the grill. We've got flats, we've got drums. Make sure you preheat this thing a little bit in advance. You don't wanna put cold meat onto a cold grill because it's gonna make the skin a little soggy, but you don't want it to be incredibly hot. You wanna keep it at a medium. You don't wanna overcook it and dry it out. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and make the sauces. One of them we're gonna make from scratch, but it's super simple. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our 100% pure maple syrup, stick that in a bowl. Then we have this McCormick Grill Mates brown sugar bourbon seasoning. Just gonna kind of coat that a little bit. And then we have our whisk away, and then we're gonna go ahead and just squirt a little bit of oil on there. That's just gonna kind of help bring the whole thing together. You want enough in there to make sure you can coat all the wings. So let's set that to the side. We're gonna kind of let those flavors all come together. Let's get these wings turned. Yeah, these are great. These are perfect to go. So I'm gonna take the sauce we made from scratch and I'm gonna go ahead and put a couple in here. This is gonna look so good. Then I got the rest of these. We're gonna do a couple of different sauces here. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna use Stubbs. This is their original barbecue sauce. They have a lot of different flavors. We're gonna go with the original, the OG. This is the one we're gonna go with. This is perfect for a wing on a day like this. Just get a little coating. You don't want too much. Then we got our Frank's Red Hot wing sauce that's ready to go. It's a buffalo wing sauce. And if this isn't spicy enough for you, add a little just regular Frank's in there. And if you're real nasty, put a little extra cayenne pepper in there and then regret it afterwards. So you wanna get these nice and mixed up. If you need a little help from your tongs, feel free. All right, same thing here. Just want to get a nice coat going. This is how you make other tailgaters jealous. Doing wings. All right, so now all we have to do left is plate and eat. Here we go. If you want to be extra fancy, just kind of line them up all like this. Mix and match them. They don't have to be drums. They don't have to be flats. Look at that. Perfection. And if you want to get crazy, just get a little more of that sauce. Drip it on there. Get a little more like this. Oh yeah. And now all we have left to do is eat. Let's get in these things. I'm gonna try the one with the sauce that I made. I'm gonna take a flat, and here's a fun trick. If you find the 2 bones, just give it a twist. One of these bones is gonna come flying right out. And oh, that's incredible. This is a great wing. Check out this episode, plus all the other Flavor Maker episodes inside the Flavor Maker app. We have all kinds of great features. You can create a digital spice rack, find out some amazing recipes. Check it out at the Apple Store or at flavormakerapp.com.